how to buy Robux with Google Play balance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can easily buy Robux with Google Play balance. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply head over to your Roblox application first, and once you are inside here, simply click on the more option over here, and once you're inside it, simply click on the premium option over here, and once you click on the premium option, you will get the option. And once you get inside here, simply click on the get premium button, and you can see the subscribe now option over here, and you will be charged 9.99 monthly currently. So by reading that, you can simply click on the purchase now button, and as you can see, I don't have any Google Play balance wallet installed or in my mobile. So what you can do is you can also pay via your credit card or debit card like this. Otherwise you can simply play with Google Pay balance as well. So hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.